Hi friends, today we're going to be drawing a cute little teddy bear and let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and grab our trusty pencil. The one that I'm using is listed in the description box. And you're going to start by drawing a dot for one eye and a dot next to it for the other eye. And make sure they're kind of far apart. Then you're going to draw a dot in the middle for the nose and a line down, and then a little smile on both sides of that line. Then we're going to draw 2 eyebrows, and we're going to go ahead and draw the snout that goes all the way around the nose and the mouth. It's just a circle, that's all it is. Then you will draw 2 circles for the cheeks, one on the right and one on the left. And the face is starting to come together. We're gonna go ahead and draw a rainbow that goes from one side to the other. Anyone can draw a rainbow, right? Well, I got good news for you. You're drawing another rainbow right here and another rainbow right here. Those are the ears. Now, can you draw a smaller rainbow inside? Just like that, next to it, the head, and another curvy line on the other side. And we're gonna extend that line down, 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 and curve it around. Down, 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 and curve it around. Great, then here comes the little rainbow on the inside of the ear and the second little rainbow on the other side of the ear. I'm really liking how this teddy bear is turning out. I think it's looking very cute. We're gonna go ahead and start marking out the lines for their arms. So just 2 short little straight lines like that. And then over here, you're gonna draw a little smiley face on one side and a smiley face on the other side. Those are gonna be the paws. And all we have to do now is connect the lines together with a little curve. Perfect. And then extend that line a little bit up and a little bit up on the other side too. So now you've got 2 little paws. Then we're gonna draw a smiley face right here, like so. Just a smiley, nothing scary, nothing too hard. And then a little rainbow right here, and a matching rainbow right here. Perfect. Then can you draw a smiley right here? And a same one matching on the other side. And then we're almost done. We're drawing a curvy line this way and a curvy line that way. Great. 2 little dots right here and 2 other little dots right there, and you are done. This was so cute and so much fun to make. I hope you enjoyed doing it, and I'll see you in the next video.